What am I supposed to say?
Is it your first video?
What's up? It's your boy.
No, is it your first video?
Yes, this is my first video. Official, taking it seriously video. Hey, I'm taking this seriously.
So just say, hey, I don't know.
Hey!
Deep South, out of sturdy South ballin'. Small creativity, time to show them original art that you gon' like. American South, net creative life, yeah. Atlanta.
Me? And I'm gonna break free. Alright, welcome. This channel is basically going to be me painting stuff. I mostly paint paintings, but I'm gonna take on a huge project, and I wanted to look at this real quick because I'm excited to get started. What I want to do is paint a guitar. I looked around for kind of like a crappy guitar that I could just paint over and stuff like that. Went down some wormholes and ended up deciding to build my own guitar and then paint it. So it may take a second on this one to get to the painting part, but I think it'll be a little bit of an adventure. So this is a DIY kit from, I won't say, I just want to take a look and see what I'm gonna have to do. I heard they suck, so let's see if that's true. Yeah. Hey, I'm taking this seriously. All right. Went ahead and took it all out because that was getting messy. It's gonna be a big project. This project, I'm going to hand paint a guitar. Probably a little influenced by the paintings I did back here, but I wanted to show you what all you get in one of these little DIY kits because I decided I'm going to build this thing myself. Get a lot of cool stuff, but it's pretty crappy. This is not my forte. I tend to paint on things, not really build them. This will be fresh. All right, here's what you get. You get the body. You gotta look on this thing, kind of see what's gonna be wrong, so you know like what videos you gotta watch on YouTube. You try to figure out how to do it. It's just cut like some snaggletooth just got a hold of this thing. But I mean, it's a piece of wood. Make it look good. Get the neck, probably the most important part of the whole thing. All right, for these, I can already tell like some of this inlays, these pretty things here, they're popped up or something. The neck's got some little weird piece of sawdust stuck in it. Other than that, I think it's sanded and you gotta treat all these little frets nice, and then I get to make my own headboard or pegboard headstock thing, so that's gonna be cool. All right, next up you get the rock and roll humbuckers. You get all the little goodies, the knobs, tuner, little bridge tailpiece thing. You get your tailpiece, you get your bridge, or bridge or tailpiece, whatever you call them. Just get this, get that. Crappy cord. Looks like pre-wired electronics. That's gonna be easier. Three-way toggle, back plate thing, and face plate cover that looks like it does not fit. All right, So mentally check all that stuff I just said that could be wrong. So like, I've got to fix face plates, same back plates, total neck, everything. Body, I'm gonna try to contour out these more, thin them down. Make them more, I guess like an SG. This is probably like an Epiphone or something. All right. So I think the next episode I may run through doing the neck, run through that. There's a million videos. I don't really want to pretend I'm an expert, so I'm really trying to get it built perfectly, beautifully, as best as I can show y'all. And then it's down to like painting it and finishing it and trying to make it look like a bass boat. All right, till next time.